Good morning and thanks for joining us. This is Holly Shields live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. This is our market open report. Today the S&P ASX 200 is lower, dropping 0.5%, and the bottom performers on the ASX were Magellan Financial Group, which is down 6.23%, and Pointsbet down as well at 3.3%. Over the past week, the index has lost 1.15%, while over the last 52 weeks, it's lost 2.17%. And now looking at some stocks making a buzz today in the opening session, Australia's largest gambling company, tabcorp, has announced the conditional settlement of litigation with Racing Queensland. tabcorp also shone some light on the impact of the proposed reforms to the Queensland wagering industry, announced by the Queensland government today. These legislative reforms, when implemented, will level the playing field by ensuring tabcorp's wagering tax and racing product fees obligations in the Queensland are the same as the Northern Territory licensed online wagering operators. tabcorp will pay Racing Queensland and the Queensland government a combined total amount of $150 million. The settlement is conditional upon the commencement of legislation that will implement the proposed reforms announced by the government today by the 31st of March 2023. And then in other news, in response to market inquiries, pathology services provider Australian Clinical Labs has confirmed that they do not expect revenue for the period of the 1st of Jan to 31st of May to be down by more than 1%. The company also does not expect to depart materially from Bloomberg forecast for NPAT for the full financial year to June 30, 2022. And meanwhile, global equity manager Regal Partners, formerly VGI Partners, has announced the completion of its merger with Regal Funds Management. The company has acquired all of the shares in Regal in consideration for the issue of over 140 million new fully paid ordinary shares to Regal shareholders. And then finally, National Australia Bank today announced the offer of a new additional Tier 1 capital security, NAB Capital Note 6, which is expected to be quoted on the ASX. It's anticipated that the offer will raise $1 billion, and NAB will also be redeeming NAB Capital Notes worth $1.5 billion on the 7th of July. And that is all on the early trades today, but stay tuned for more on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.